Oh no! A hurricane is coming! I need to protect my fruit trees and fields! Put the fruit trees in the basket quickly! Great! All the fruits have been picked. Cut these branches so that the big trees won't be blown down. All the branches have been cut. Use wood to reinforce the tree. All the trees have been reinforced. Dig a ditch. Drag the hoe along the line to dig. Great! That's better for drainage. Fill the holes to block the flood. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. The sandbags are finally ready. Now let's put them on the riverbank. Put the stake into the soil. The riverbank has been reinforced. Fantastic work! The hurricane landed. Prepare to defense against it. The wood supports the fruit tree well.
Great! The ditches in the field drain well.
The hurricane is gone, and my orchard and fields are safe now.